What's up, my beautiful babes and gabes of the world? It's your girl Keelan, aka Itskeilynnn, and I am back with another mother freaking video. Now, lately I've just been doing the base of my face first because I just feel like for Christmas time, I feel like, everyone has a face routine that they do. You know, I'll get back to doing it regularly once this 12 days of Christmas is over. But yeah, so today's look is not going to be anything like the snowflakes or the hat or the lights. I'm actually going to do a Christmas glam look. Now, I know I just recently did one, but there's always something else that people can do. Like the Christmas glam look I did was a burgundy or a reddish burgundy cut crease. But there's more that you can do. So today I'm going to do, or it was like a semi-cut crease, I believe. Today I'm going to do a really gorgeous gold cut crease for you guys. I feel like you can rock this look with anything. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So I've already primed my eyes off camera. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my Nubian palette by Juvia, because it has all the beautiful nude colors and natural colors that you could want. So the first color I'm going to go into is this really gorgeous brown color here, to act as a transition color. Have that done, it is now time to go in with this dark brown here and just go into the crease, add that color into the crease to define the crease. And I'm just going to go into this brown here and put that on top of that dark brown just to lighten things up a bit. Now I'm just going to go back into this dark brown and just add it onto the outer corner only. So now that I have that, it is time to cut the crease, and this time I'm going to go and cut the crease completely. Complete, it's time to go back into our Nubian palette, and I'm just going to use this gold here and go over the concealer and put the gold on the concealer. So now I'm going to take this gold glitter and just align the where the crease and the gold meet. I'm going to outline that in glitter. So now that we have that, this step is the glitter on top of the gold is optional. I just want to do it because the more glam the better for Christmas, I think. I'm going to now draw a wing on the bottom part, where the wing goes. Alright, so I decided for this look that I'm not going to go too extreme with the lashes today. I'm just going to wear my natural lashes again. Just because with something neutral like this, like it's still a holiday glam, but it's all neutral. I don't want to overdo it. I mean, you can wear lashes with it. You can wear lashes with it if you really want to. It's just my preference for today. So now I'm just going to go back into the Nubian palette, and I am going to use this color here, the shimmer shade, and just add that in the inner corners of my eye. So now I'm going to go underneath my and smoke out the bottom lash line with this brown color here. So now that we have that, it is time to move on to the rest of the face. I'm just going to do my blush like I normally do, but I can never find my blush palette. I'm going to go back to my old trusty dusty best because I can't find my other palette that I just got. So I'm just going to blush my apples. To just add highlight. Now the highlight I want to use is actually in this palette too. It's like really pretty and I forgot all about it, to be honest. So I'm just going to use that highlight for today. So now it's time to move on to the lips, and I'm just going to take my color from yesterday's video, the Cashmere Silk and Gelato, and put this on my lips. And lastly, setting spray time. And this, guys, is a completed look. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on that bell notification to see every time I post. Thank you guys for sticking around for day 4 of 12 Days of Christmas. Always remember to stay classy and a little bit trashy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.
Okay, my intuition never lies. There's nothing you can never hide. Already got this.